some fresh tracks near where I
She's
figured
trying to do something else.
There was no proof that they'd been made in the holdup. I had to take the chance to talk. Exactly how much of a chance I was taking, I didn't know. Not yet.
She warned him.
Huh?
She warned him to leave him alone.
Which one is?
Marnie warned him to leave him alone.
This one right here?
Yeah, female trying to warn him to leave him alone.
Not the other one.
No.
That one right there.
Yeah, the orange one.
This one right here. I mean, this one right here, the other
Yes.
one. Other one?
Yes.
Don't you have another one about that?
Yes.
That's one for my brother. We'll get Doc after we see Smaller. Let's go.
We had that
No
before.
injury, any consciousness. And don't try to talk, Jim. Save your strength. You're gonna need you. I've got to operate. May Sam is going to help me. I thought a bit about nursing. Someday she'll make a good one. The gentleman did this to you were looking for me.
You watching this?
I doubled back and was behind them. I heard the shots. Saw them right off and brought up to investigate. There was one of the things about the train.
Mr. Hardy.